Okay, now sometimes it is important that whenever you have a whole collection of elements, that you're just going to rearrange some of them. Not all of them, but some of them. So whenever you have to do this, whenever you have to order R elements out of a collection of n elements, that is what we call a permutation of n elements taken R at a time. So in order to do this, this is when you are taking your entire collection and you're going to change the order of just a few of them. So that is this NPR. Remember back in the previous section we had NCR? Well, this is an NPR. So P is for your permutation. This can also be found by just taking n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So if we look at example 6, we have a coin club that has 5 members. And how many different ways can a president and vice president be selected from its members? So we have a total of 5 people. Okay, we have a total of 5 people. That would be your n value, right? So if we're trying to reorder, we're choosing 2 people out of these 5. We're choose 2 peeps. Then that is your R value. So in order to figure out your R value, or your possible ways you can choose them, you would just say, well, I'm going to have an n factorial over n minus r factorial. So you say, well, I have a 5 factorial over 5 minus 2, which is just 5 factorial divided by a 3 factorial. And we know that if you have a 3 factorial on the bottom, that cancels out your 1, 2, and 3 on top. So 4 times 5 just gives you 20 ways you can do that. Now on the bottom of this example, there is a little technology tip where you can use your calculator to help you figure out how to find a permutation. So if you need to, look in the back of Appendix A, see if you can figure it out. Instead of Uncle Kyle giving you everything in the world, see if you can get your 20.